Hi, Andy's Vauxhall vids here. I'm doing a video on the Cavalier arms, steering arms. Now this one here is totally seized up, so I've got a gas torch on it, and this has been on about 10 minutes. So hopefully soon I should be able to get this moving. The track rod end I managed to get out off of this side, which is fine. The other side, the track rod end bolt snapped. So the track rod end is actually okay, but the bolt snapped in it. You can see the two other bolts here. This is out of this track rod end, which is off of this one, and the other bolt, which is slightly longer, you can see is out of here. So I'm going to try and get this off. Hopefully I'll get that off in a couple of minutes. So this has been on here 10-15 minutes, so hopefully the heat should move it. I'll do another video just after this, just to show the results. Right, so as you can see, I've managed to get this moving. It's still a bit stiff, so I'll need to work it back and forward to get it off. Hopefully that should be it. I'll let you know how I got on in a minute. As you can see, I need to work this because it's still quite, it stiffens up when you're turning it. So I need to just work its way around. I don't have a vice on a bench, I've just got it on the floor, so it kind of moves about, so it's a bit of a pain. Just keep moving that. I want to try and get the turns, so it was roughly about there. So 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turns, 4 turns, 5 turns, 6 turns, 7 turns, 8 turns, 9 turns, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, coming, 15, right. So this end was 15 turns, and to get the track rod end that was 16 turns, so 15 and 16. It's just a baseline. When I put them all back together, I'll put this one in 15 turns and the track rod end side 16 turns, because I'm going to get the tracking done because it's out miles. Because there had been different things done to it, like suspension, arm, ball joint, different things have been moved about and stuff has been off and on. The track arm has been off and on, new tyres, suspension out, suspension back in, and this hasn't been adjusted for about, I don't know, years and years probably. And it was always kind of alright, the tracking wasn't too bad, but it's just got worse and worse. Plus I had the steering off, so not only have I decentered the steering, I think when I put it back on it was kind of off centre, so that's off, and then this is all out of kilter as well. So that's all off now, so I'm just going to go and look in my parts bin, see if I've got a track rod end, and if I have, I can just build it back up, and I need to get a spare bolt. If the track rod end hasn't got a new bolt with it, I'll need to try and find a bolt. That shouldn't be a problem. Right, cheers.